Are you looking for the best rotary tool in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rotary tool that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit. Grind, debur, drill, polish, or sand with the use of this affordable rotary toolkit. It is much easier to do the aforementioned things with this handheld device that lets you switch from one function to another easily. Equipped with 80 accessories and with a variable speed option of 8,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM, this is going to be an all-around solution to your woodworking needs. Some of the accessories included are felt polishing wheels, sanding discs, dressing and grinding stones, drill bits, and high-speed cutters. Its compact and lightweight design allows seamless usage and eliminates a complicated setup that might deter novice woodworkers. It is easy to use even for the relatively inexperienced user. This is a compact and lightweight rotary that should make this a cinch to use when woodworking. You can also bring it with you anywhere. It comes with a custom case that neatly stores all your woodworking accessories. The entire case weighs 3.4 pounds. The variable speed setting allows you to work in different materials. You can work on more delicate types of wood and also achieve faster results with fast speed setting. You can rely on its power for cutting, but it is also capable of adding those delicate details and intricate patterns on wood with the right attachment. The flex shift also ensures that you can get those details done. This product comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Many people said it works quietly. You can work with it all day and not worry that it will hurt your ears. The tool has a solid build. It is not heavy, but you can tell the body has good quality. This product also boasts of good ventilation, so it does not overheat easily. Even if you use it for a long time each day, it won't get damaged by heat buildup. Up next in the 4th place is the Dremel 3000-1 divided by 25 variable speed rotary tool kit. The Dremel 3000 is a 26-piece kit that can be used by professional woodworkers or hobbyists to achieve the best grinding, cutting, and polishing results. It is also a tool that allows you to make intricate designs on your wood projects through its carving or engraving attachment. This tool is feature-packed. Aside from its variable speed function that allows you to get maximum results and find the speed setting that is ideal for your projects, this tool also features an e-twist function where there is a nose cap wrench fully integrated into the tool. This makes way for a far faster and more seamless change of accessories. With a 1.2 amp motor power, you know you are getting the juice needed for different projects. You can keep the tool and the accessories included in its hard carry case that also comes with an accessory case. This tool really packs a lot of power. Whatever you need to use it for, it will serve your needs well. It is very ergonomic. The nose cap has a trumpet-like shape that means you can hold this tool like a pencil, great for making those defined cuts. Changing accessories is easy. The easy twist nose cap ensures that you can remove, install a new accessory, and tighten your accessories without the need for another tool like a wrench. It has a fan design and side vents that prevent the tool from overheating, especially when using it for hours. The accessories included are well made. They hold up well against a lot of abuse. Dremel products are some of the most durable tools, and this one is not an exception. There are those who have had its previous model for decades and are only just now replacing their unit because they misplaced it. This has a good feel to it. It is not bulky and heavy, so you can work with it even for an extended period of time and not feel hand fatigue. It is also small enough to get into those tighter spaces. It also performs quietly. The 3rd product on our list is the Goxawee Rotary Tool Kit. Whether you are a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, you will find a place for this rotary tool in your woodworking arsenal. It is a mini drill tool that has a variable speed setting feature. With its 5-step adjustment system, you can choose from speeds of 8,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM. Use this for a plethora of projects such as engraving, cutting, sanding, and grinding. Unlike other rotary tools that might have a limitation when it comes to the attachments that you can use, this one boasts of wider compatibility. It comes with a 3-jaw keyless drive chuck that allows you to make changes to the accessories quickly and effortlessly and use accessories from other brands without the need to buy more collets. This unit has a flexible shaft that allows you to operate it efficiently and quietly. This tool is also powerful enough to work even on metal or aluminum sheets. It comes complete with many useful accessories, including a cutting guide and a transparent shield. The manufacturer also included another carbon brush as well as diamond and mini cutting wheels, a drill locator, and even a polishing compound. You can get started with your project as soon as you get this tool. It accepts a wide range of accessories requiring extra collets. You can use any accessory that has a 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch shanks. The price is great. People on a budget will be able to afford it. It has good spinning speed and power. Many people said this operated quietly. There is no unnecessary noise or even excessive vibrations that can put you off. This tool held up quite well even when the owners used them for tougher jobs like grout removal. It also boasts of an ergonomic design that makes this easy to work with even on more delicate projects. It is light enough to be used all day without feeling the strain in your hands. It does not require breaking in, according to users. The accessories can be used right away with precision and focus. It has good speed. It can get the job done faster. Second on our list is the Dremel 8050 N divided by 18 micro cordless rotary tool kit. If you are looking for the best rotary tool that will give you the hassle of a cord, then the Dremel 8050 N divided by 18 micro cordless rotary tool kit is what you need. This cordless rotary tool comes with an ergonomic and sleek design. It also comes with a flashy look, and it looks better than most of the rotary tools on the market today. This tool delivers great performance and a comfortable user experience. With the ergonomic design of this unit, you can use it to work for hours without feeling fatigued. It comes with a docking station that helps to keep the tool charged at all times. This tool also comes with a considerable number of accessories that ensure you can use this tool to handle a variety of projects. It comes with 18 accessories, and you can use them effectively for different purposes. It also comes with a LED lighting system that illuminates your workspace, providing you with more visibility in poor light conditions. This cordless tool comes with an 8V lithium-ion battery, and it also features a LED battery life indicator to let you know when it is time to recharge. It also delivers a great speed range, with a variable speed between 5,000 RPM to 25,000 RPM. It is a highly versatile toolkit, and it comes with virtually everything you need. This rotary tool also comes with a 2-year warranty, which is an assurance that your tool would last for a long time. It is also super lightweight, as the entire pack weighs only 1.1 pounds. It also comes with the lithium battery, which means you do not have to purchase it separately. The battery of this tool takes about 3 hours and 45 minutes to charge, and many might consider this a downside. However, it is still pretty fast compared to the charge time of other battery-powered tools. Finally, the top product on our list is the Black Plus Decker RTX 6 2-amp 3-speed rotary tool. We highly recommend this for heavy-duty work because of its 2-amp motor high-torque power that ensures you can get those more difficult jobs done. You can also set it up to your preferred speed. It only comes with 3 speed settings, so you can find the precise speed that answers your needs. The rubber over-molded grips ensure that you can work with this for hours and not feel hand fatigue. It has good ergonomics and weight that will give you maximum control when working. You get 27 accessories as well as 2 clamps with your purchase. So, whether you need it to cut, polish, carve, or grind, you can rely on this to get the job done. The power of this rotary tool is one of the best. It will allow you to work on more demanding polishing, grinding, sanding, or cutting tasks. With its power, you can also use this for some metal works. It is a 3-speed setting, but there are markings in between the main speed settings, so you can get a speed of somewhere in between. A universal call-it system is a nice feature because you can use any accessory for a rotary tool. If you already have rotary tool accessories from other brands, you will be able to use them with this tool. The flip-lock system works great. It makes changing accessories a cinch. There is no need to get a wrench to switch from one accessory to another. You get a 2-year warranty with your purchase. Included in the package are 2 clamps and a wrench. You also get a soft side bag that has plenty of space for all your accessories. This is actually lighter than other rotary tools out there. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.